In this, how to fix Xbox Game Power One Chat not working in Windows. So for this, first you need to go to our settings and go to gaming and click the game power, and you can see allow your my controller to open the game power is that it should be in turn on mode. Okay, check this. It's important settings. You need to check this. It should be in turn on mode. Once completing, go back and go to apps. App settings. In this install apps is that, click it, and in this scroll down and you need to go to system component and go to game bar, and in this three dot icon is that, go to click and go to advanced option and scroll down and you can see the reset to repair is that. You need to click the repair option. Yes, once complete after you need to reset, so don't panic, it will not reset the entire settings. So only reset the app applications. It will not delete any files or folders or any other things. So after that you need to go to privacy and security and go to microphone and check the microphone access should be in turn on mode. Check it and verify it because it's important settings, and go to Windows update and make sure this window is up to date, and if any pending items are there means you need to clear it and make your Windows up to date because some important update also is there, so you need to up to date. So after that you need to click device manager and then just scroll down and click the audio input and output. So in this you need to click the microphone and update the drivers. The drivers are up to date, so go back, and window update also gives the update, so you need to update the windows also, so that's why I'm before told update the windows. So go to control panel and in this click the lodge icon and go to sound option. In this recording and go to microphone array and right click and go to properties and just go to advanced and make sure it's 16 bit 48 hertz. Okay, go back and reset your PC.